Bergmann Germany brings to you the internationally acclaimed Gladiator range of car dusters. The range is specially meant for car enthusiasts who want nothing but the best when caring for their vehicles. The Bergmann Gladiator Car Dusters consist of 100% wax-baked cotton strands, which gives it the unique ability to attract dust, instead of just moving it around. It quickly lifts off dust, but does not scratch the paint surface, giving your car a clean new look. Bergmann dusters are available in a choice of 3 unique dusters. The Platinum duster with wooden handle and extra thick fibers. The Standard duster with ivory virgin ABS handle and a special red sponge grip. And the Mini duster for car interiors and bikes. All Bergmann dusters are washable, but must be washed with plain water without any detergent. They must be stored in the leather case provided free along with each duster. Now let us look at the top 7 reasons explaining how the range is better than other existing dusters in the market. Bergmann Platinum duster comprises of a sturdy, premium wooden handle that looks really elegant. Most other dusters have handles made from cheap recycled plastic which is often black in color. Bergmann Standard duster comprises of pure virgin ivory ABS handle with soft cushioned red grip. Most other dusters instead have sharp, plastic grooves on the handle, which hurt the fingers and your palm. Bergmann dusters consist of cotton strands that are baked with wax, in a furnace which makes the wax treatment permanent. Most other dusters are simply sprayed with wax, and not baked. Hence they lose their dust suction after few months and need a rejuvenator spray to get revived. Bergmann dusters have extra thick, soft cotton fibers which are twice as thick and dense than other dusters. This can be easily compared when you hold the dusters side by side. Bergmann dusters undergo a special antibacterial treatment so that no bacteria breeds on them. None of the other dusters in the market today spend on this treatment. Bergmann dusters undergo a special 4-thread root stitching, which ensures that the strands do not come out even after several years. Most other dusters have normal stitching and the threads start coming out after a few weeks. All Bergmann dusters come with a free, premium, leather carry case. Most other dusters come in a cheap canvas material cover. Now clean your entire car easily in minutes without water. Bergmann Gladiator dusters are extremely durable and last for several years, helping you clean your car to perfection. Thank you for watching.